Hey folks, we start tonight by saying thank you to the kids and the staff at Idea Academy here in Weslaco. Ms. Cavazos and the first graders, all the first graders, collecting coats for Tim's coats. Went over and picked them up today. You can see kind of hanging out. That box was full. That was a big box, a lot of coats, and we're going to get those out to folks across the valley who need them as quickly as possible. The Idea Academy in Weslaco, Ms. Cavazos, first graders, and all the other first graders, we appreciate your very generous time to collect those coats and to donate them. We appreciate that a lot for Tim's coats. Temperature-wise, you need a light jacket maybe this evening. Temperatures right now in the 60s, 64 Port Isabel, Brownsville, Harlingen, Raymondville, McAllen, Edinburgh all at 66, so a mild evening across the valley. Dew points slowly coming back up. They're in the 50s right now. We'll put that on the muggy meter. We're still down here in the comfortable range. It feels pretty good out there. Temperatures here, dew points there, but temperatures tonight will continue to go down. Dew points will continue to come up, and when they meet, that means the air's saturated, humidity is 100%. That's when we get fog, unless there's something to mix it out. That would be wind, and there's no wind tonight, so fog, a likely thing to deal with overnight tonight. Temperatures bottoming out in the mid-50s, except at the beach, about 61 there. Fog possible still at sunrise and maybe some low clouds, but that should burn off, and by afternoon, that southwest wind will help temperatures warm back to 80 or so. Cooler at the beach, a little warmer in the west, but certainly a warmer day tomorrow than what we've seen the last couple of days. The normal high for this time of year is 72, and tomorrow 80. The record's 84, knocking on the door up there. 75 Thursday, we're going to work to get back to that, and then 73 on Friday. Clouds have been pretty thick across the area today. Some nice breaks out there right at sunset for a pretty sunset across the valley. But overnight tonight, I think the clouds are going to stick around again. Maybe some fog. Then as the day goes on tomorrow, we're back to partly to mostly sunny skies. When the wind comes out of the southwest, that'll push the clouds out of here and make it pretty nice. Thursday, the cool front comes in. Behind that front, strong northwesterly winds for a time. And then Thursday night into Friday, that wind will die down, and we're back to sunshine, it looks like, for Friday, and a fair amount of sunshine for the weekend as well. Rain-wise, we don't see anything except maybe late tonight, pre-dawn tomorrow. Could be a brief sprinkle. You notice the models didn't show that. It's just one of those things we're watching. A little storm's going to develop just to the north of us, so maybe a sprinkle could sneak in, but I don't think so. Most of us should stay dry. Bigger picture, $53, 61 in Austin right now. San Antonio 62. Warm front pushing northward will draw that southwest wind in tomorrow. That will help warm things up, and notice the clouds break. We end up on the sunny side of things by tomorrow afternoon. And then by tomorrow night, well, the next front makes its way in our direction, and by Thursday the wind comes out of the northwest and gets rather strong. A windy day on Thursday, still pretty breezy on Friday, but the big wind is Thursday with gusts again up to 40 miles an hour. Another front on the weather map Saturday. It will sneak through over the weekend, but it's not going to make a big difference. I think we're still really mild for the Christmas holiday. For Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, temperatures still at or above average across the valley. In the Bay, winds out of the west-northwest, 5 to 15 tomorrow. A light chop, the moderate UV index. A gale watch in effect now for Thursday. Once again, with that next front, it's going to get really windy again. So Thursday, a bad day to be out in the little boat. So tonight, partly cloudy, just dense fog forming as the night goes on. 55 for a low. Then tomorrow, the wind out of the southwest. That helps warm things up back to about 80. Clouds early, some fog, but then afternoon sunshine. 75 on Thursday. We're going to work really hard to get there. That northwest wind going to make it tough, but we should get close to 75. A little cooler Friday because we start cooler, and then Saturday, Sunday, back up around 80 or so. Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, there'll be some clouds around. Can't rule out a spotty sprinkle, but for the most part, I think we're looking at dry days. Temperatures above average, 77, both Monday and Tuesday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.